Dual booting lets you choose which operating system loads when you start up your computer. You will see the list of available operating system and you can choose which one load. If you don't make a choice, the default option will load after set a period of time. Sometimes, however, you may find that the dual boot menu doesn't appear and you boot directly into the default OS. Here are some things you can try if you are having problems with the dual boot option not showing in Windows. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix dual boot option not showing in Windows. I have a request, if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click start button, type cmd and select run as administrator. Type this command. This command will be given in the video description box and press enter. If you have entered the command correctly, you should see a message informing you that the operation was completed successfully. Restart your computer and see if the dual boot option has returned. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.